Why are people obsessed with plant TikTok? If you've spent any amount of time on the popular social media platform, TikTok, chances are you've come across videos of people showing off their lush indoor gardens. From tiny succulents to towering monsteras, plants have become a major trend on the app, and users just can't get enough. But what is it about these leafy green creatures that has captured our attention? For starters, many experts believe that our newfound love for plants is rooted in a desire to connect with nature. In today's fast-paced, technology-driven world, it can be difficult to carve out time for outdoor activities like hiking or camping. Plants offer a way to bring a little bit of nature indoors, creating a calming and grounding atmosphere. Additionally, caring for plants has been proven to have numerous mental health benefits. Studies have shown that spending time around plants can reduce stress levels, improve mood, and even boost productivity. It makes sense, then, that people are turning to plants as a way to cope with the challenges of daily life. But why has this trend specifically taken off on TikTok? Part of the answer lies in the platform's algorithm. TikTok's For You page is designed to show users content that's tailored to their interests, based on their past viewing history. This means that if you've engaged with plant-related content in the past, you're likely to see more of it on your feed. However, there's also something inherently satisfying about watching other people care for their plants. TikTok's short-form video format allows users to showcase their plants in creative and entertaining ways, from time-lapse clips of growth to before and after transformations. And because the plant community on TikTok is so supportive, users can share their successes and failures without fear of judgment. Of course, not everyone who enjoys plant TikTok is an experienced gardener. For many people, the videos serve as inspiration to start their own green journey. With so much information available online, it's easier than ever to learn about plant care and find the perfect species for your lifestyle. But this trend isn't just limited to TikTok. Plants have become a major trend across all social media platforms, with Instagram accounts dedicated solely to showcasing beautiful foliage. And it's not just limited to individual users. Even major brands are jumping on the plant bandwagon. In fact, the rise of plant popularity has led to a surge in demand for houseplants across the country. As more people discover the joys of caring for plants, local nurseries and garden centers are struggling to keep up with demand. Some retailers have even reported shortages of popular species like pothos and fiddle leaf figs. So what's next for the world of plant TikTok? It's hard to say for sure, but one thing's for certain. This trend isn't going away anytime soon. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a newbie just starting out, there's something undeniably appealing about bringing a little bit of nature into your home. So next time you're scrolling through your TikTok feed, take a moment to appreciate the beauty of these leafy green creatures. After all, they might just be the key to a happier, healthier life.